Hey everyone, I'm Cami with Vox Nutrition, and today I wanted to share a little bit about how I started my journey. So I actually started my college career as studying criminal justice, and then after a few semesters I decided that probably wasn't the right fit for me. So I transitioned into working at a hospital for about 10 years. During that journey, I worked for 10 years as a diet technician, and I played a vital role in making sure the patients got the nutrition they needed during their stay. And because of that role, I transitioned into Vox Nutrition, to where I've been for 7.5 years now. And it's been very rewarding to see how the different brands have developed and grown within the health industry. But not only that, seeing how Vox Nutrition has developed over time and changing our processes and how we can benefit our customers even more. So with that was kind of how I started in being an aspiring detective to transitioning into where we are with Vox Nutrition. So thanks for joining, and hope you stay tuned to see more.